Health institutes on the island have been under immense scrutiny due to a number of incidents resulting in deaths. The most recent incident being the death of a mother identified as Sylvina Emmanuel of Shantytown V4 and her unborn child at St. Jude Hospital. In a press statement, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Merlin Fredericks stated an investigation was launched into the incident. Former Health Minister Sarah Flood Beaubrun, who appeared on NBC's Current Affairs on Tuesday, says these matters cannot be taken lightly. She says while many may encourage family members to take the matter to the courts, it is not easy to do. Flood Beaubrun believes the government should step in and launch inquests in such instances.
We are talking about a situation in our society where the ordinary person is reluctant to take on the government. This is what it is. Because you're talking about a mother who's lost a baby, who's in such deep sorrow over it, being asked to take on the system at a time when she wants to heal. And then what is involved in taking on the system? You're talking about monies. You're talking about going through the trauma again and again of doing it. I personally think that the government should conduct an inquiry on its own to find out what is causing these deaths and how can they be avoided.
Flood Beaubrun says no amount of money can ever replace a loved one. She says she believes a settlement only adds insult to injury. Flood Beaubrun says the government should take action and what is necessary to ensure the incidents are not repeated.
And it's not about doing this, having a report and putting it on a shelf. It's about the government being committed to say, okay, this happened because of A, B, C, and D. I'm going to deal with it. If there needs to be disciplinary action taken, if there needs to be compensation, and what is it we need to do to make sure it doesn't happen again? Are there resources we need to put to make sure? Are there systems, checks and balances we need to put in place to make sure it doesn't happen again? We may see another problem repeat itself, but we don't want this one happening again.
St. Jude Hospital confirmed Emmanuel and her unborn child died on the evening of Saturday, October 31, 2015. Flood Beaubrun says she believes that no one should meet such a fate. She admits the health sector is a challenging one. However, she says there is more to be done by the current administration and health minister. Chantel Stephen, NBC News.